If you're looking for a cottage in the Mumbles market, then stop searching, sit down and enjoy this one. This property is a 2-bedroom cottage on Clifton Terrace, and for many of you who will know this area, parking is a premium. We have it at this one. Enjoy. Over the recent years, Mumbles has undergone a huge redevelopment, which includes this place, Oyster Wharf. What a fantastic place to call home. 2 bedrooms, sea views, beautiful downstairs, as well as some outdoor space to the rear and parking. If this property is something of interest to you, let us know. We'd be delighted to see you.